add Senate Bill 439. Senator Settlemyre.
Thank you, Mr. President. Senate Bill 439 provides for the permitting and regulation by the Public Utilities Commission of Nevada of transportation network companies, also known as TNCs, which are entities that use a digital network or software application service to connect passengers to drivers who can provide transportation services to those passengers. This measure establishes the minimum requirements for TNC drivers, requires the TNC to perform a background check of each driver, and establish the requirements of insurance for the operation and maintenance of motor vehicles operated by TNC drivers. The Commission must collect from a TNC a fee of 25 cents per trip for which a driver provides transportation services and deposit this amount for credit to the State Highway Fund. This is the only state in the Union that has this 25 cents per trip highway fund donation or request or requirement. The measure does not exempt any person from the requirement to obtain a state business license. In addition, the bill does not prohibit an airport from requiring that a TNC or driver obtain a permit or certification to operate at the airport, pay a fee to operate at the airport, or comply with any other requirements to operate at that airport. A TNC or driver who provides transportation services within the scope of a permit issued by the Commission is not subject to the provisions of existing law governing motor carriers or public utilities. This bill is effective upon passage and approval for the purpose of adopting any regulations and performing any other preparatory admission task, and on July 1st, 2015 for all other purposes. To me, this bill is very important in the respect that I look at what is our job here. To me, I'm worried sometimes with legislation that we are becoming prison guards of the past. We're sitting here looking at people from a tower as a prison guard when our very people in that prison are at home on house arrest. The technology has changed. No one, in my opinion, should have the authority to preserve the status quo and to stifle technology. And to me, that's what we're looking at right here, is a technological change. It is a change of kind. It is a change of kind, not a change of degree. Just as when the first candles were going about and people were sitting at home reading by those lights, imagine today they come out with a light bulb. We'd be sitting here arguing on behalf of those companies to preserve things. I have problems with that theory. What would have happened? We all remember these old things when our kids have no idea what they are. Funk and Wagnall, Encyclopedia. Now, let's face it, it's Wikipedia. And in that respect, I think that it is wrong of us to consider the concept of preserving the status quo and stifling this technology. The people, the citizens of the state of Nevada, have a thirst for technology. They're looking for this. They're looking for the opportunity to utilize this technology. But in my opinion, it needs regulation. And that's why I was supportive when the senator from District 4 came forth and said, let's regulate them, but let's make sure they also pay into the highway fund. And I appreciated that amendment. They'll be required to have $1.5 million of insurance rather than just a $250,000 surety bond, 7-year wraparound checks. I urge you to vote yes on this legislation.
Thank you, Senator.